on its way to Senator Obama. But look at that. The honors, the convoy. Being a general, but we say generals don't die. Generals rest. Yeah? They just fade away. And that is the honor granted to the general. Look at that convoy. Outriders at the front, the hearse follows, and then there's a convoy, a big convoy behind him. And probably this is where the deputy president is. Since he's the one who received the body at the Kisumu International Airport, probably this is where the deputy president is.
He's following the hearse with the body.
Yeah, he's following the hearse as a mark of honor to the general. I was listening to the deputy president and the president yesterday, and you get this feeling that they had quite a personal contact and friendship with General Ogolla, because the deputy president kept remarking how he used to command them when they are seeing off the head of state when he's leaving the country, and the jokes that he would make. There are several videos that are out of him and the deputy president engaging in a very heavy laughter, probably emanating from the jokes that General Ogolla would make. But out here, we didn't think General Ogolla was funny. We just saw the serious military man.
No, he was very humorous. He cracked jokes all the time.
He did?
Yeah, he was a humorous man.
Very humorous, and you could see he was being liked by everybody because of his contact and humorous talk. So he could, like what His Excellency the Deputy President was saying, is that they liked coming to him for something. He jokes something, he says something, and he gives people hope. That is the best. That's the best part of his life.
Yeah, that is who the general was. A funny man. The deputy president was saying yesterday at some point it was his birthday, and then he's alerted, the general is out here, he wants to see you. And the deputy president wonders, such meetings don't happen without appointment. What does the general want? And when he allows the general in, the general comes bearing a happy birthday gift. Just like that. And that's quite interesting, and that's who General Ogolla generally was. I had the privilege to sit down with him last year in the month of August, just before the recruitment of officers into KDF, and you could tell the man was passionate about his job, but equally laser focused on the welfare of his men, and that is who General Ogolla was. That's Siaya. Kenya party leader Martha Karua has also. I was actually hoping probably that to see retired President Uhuru Kenyatta. I don't know whether he will be there or he won't. But again, General Ogolla served under him for quite some time as the Commander, Air Force, and as the Vice Chief of the Defence Forces. But you will remember that the former president sent tribute when the news was broken that the general had died. He sent in his tribute and describing General Ogolla as an illustrious man, the man he worked with when he was head of state. And the pinnacle of the career of General Ogolla really has been him ascending to the position of Chief of Defence Forces in the Republic of Kenya, having risen through all those ranks to become the CDF, one of the biggest honors for any military man. And today the country unites as it sends him home. That lap you saw on the screen is the last lap for the general, who also loved to exercise with his soldiers twice a week.